Hi, I'm Amanda Daniels with Chief Holdings. We're here in Decula at BMarko Structures to speak with CEO Anthony Contouris about the Liberty Box project.
We want you to know who we are and what we're doing. The Chief Report will feature our different companies, our many services, clients, and some of our exciting projects. Today we're taking you inside the BMarko facility to see where the magic happens in converting shipping containers into, well, almost anything. As you can see here, BMarko is limited only by their clients' imaginations. Our first project with them was to work around the clock wiring shipping containers that would become sophisticated hospital units, better known as the Liberty Box project.
So would you say that the Liberty Box project was your first endeavor in healthcare?
It was. It was really interesting because we had no healthcare experience.
So I know there was a lot of urgency and passion surrounding this project. I know you were on a crazy deadline, you were in a different facility. If you will share with us some of the unique challenges you experienced with this project. I know you also said having to let go of that attention to finishes.
Yeah, so we like to have everything come out of here perfect, you know, it bothers everybody. So a couple of things that we did for that project, we had to kind of increase our tolerances. So our normal tolerance is a 1/16 of an inch, which is that much, and then we increased it to a quarter. And so we made a couple. It was very painful. Yeah, so we're not really used to doing that because we have very high standards for ourselves.
Right.
And so it was a realization one night that I made with the help of some other people, of course. It's like, hey Anthony, what are we really trying to do here? We're trying to save lives. This is humanly impossible as it is, so imposing crazy tolerances from BMarko Structures headquarters over at the new facility is just not going to make the project successful. So really, I figured I would rather make a claim that we are saving lives as opposed to having the best product out there, and so that was one of the changes that we made.
Well, I think if you're saving lives, it probably is the best product out there, even if you had to let go of some of the detail to the finishes.
I think it really exceeded expectations because the hospital didn't really know what they were getting because they don't get that on an ongoing basis. They couldn't really base it off anything else. So David Paul, who was the facilities manager for Phoebe Puppy in Albany, he mentioned that he's very, very happy with like the vacuum pump that we used, the compressor that we use. So I mean, all these were PowerX brand, which is top notch. So we really built a permanent hospital that can be moved. And so they really didn't know what they were getting. And what they realized is once you're inside, it's a hospital. It's like what they're used to.
Right.
You know? And so I think all expectations were exceeded. And I think Chief Electric was a big part of that.
Well, thank you. I was going to ask you what it's like working with Chief Electric.
Yeah, so Chief Electric didn't give me any problems. You know, we had so many subcontractors working there, and individual workers as well. So really, to be able to do this project, because there's a limited amount of us, BMarko Structures management. As I said, we only pulled 3 from headquarters.
Right.
And so we can't be going through and dealing with too much. So essentially, we only attack the fires. And we got no fires from Chief Electric.
That's fantastic.
And you all just threw as many people as were needed per unit time. I mean, you were able to adjust up, adjust down on our schedule. So I just didn't hear from you, and it was excellent. And that's a big reason why we were successful, Chief Electric.
Well, good, thank you. You know, the ability to be able to self-manage on a project like this that is fluctuating is critical.
Absolutely.
For sure. Well, there you have it, converting basic shipping containers into sophisticated, fully equipped hospital units to be shipped all over the country to help during this critical time. BMarko. Thank you.